Yes indeed folks, how to save 80% on what a main dealer might charge you on this particular job. Welcome back to Tink's Garage, and we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Not on that, no. For starters, I think you'd be hard pushed to find a main dealer for a Lancia Stratus replica. No, we're talking about the Maserati, of course. So, through a whole set of circumstances that I won't bore you with, my wife was forced to take her Ghibli to the dealership for repair, and they offered some other suggestions as to replacements, etc., including air filters for both the engine intake and the cabin. I don't have the exact amount to hand, but I can tell you it was in the region of $500 to supply and fit said air filters. So I did a little research on eBay and I found these supposedly genuine Maserati parts for just over $100 to do the whole job. So how difficult can it be? Well, that's what we're going to do next. No specialist tools required, just one of these. Flat blade screwdriver. Cigarettes optional. Right, let's get on with it.
Okay, let's start with the cabin filter. So we're just going to unclip this panel, put that over here, and then gently lift that up, push that cap back. You see there's a couple of little clips here that clip in. We're going to remove this boy. Make note that the airflow goes into the cabin, obviously. Get our new filter out. Airflow that way. Drop it in. Clip it down. And clip it back in. That'll be $100, please. Okay, now let's do the engine intakes. This is where your flat blade comes in. Just clip here, and one down the back here. So we're just gonna pop them open like that. And one down the back. That's gonna be fun to put back on. Put that up there, and then that lifts off. And then there's these clips here, which just push down and remove that out the way. Okay, there's your filter, a little bit grubby, and while we're in there, there's a lot of stuff in there, so let's new filter, doesn't matter which way round it goes. Drop that in there. Clip that back on there. Clip it back in here, and that back one. Job done. That'll be $200, please.
Same deal on the other side, same clips, and a little bit more complicated just because there's this hose, so just leave it there. Should line up with this when we put it back, that little mark there. And there we go, all back together. That's lined up there, lovely jubbly. So that's that. Pretty damn simple, really. I hope it was helpful to you. And some of these jobs are so simple. Do give it a go yourself. What could possibly go wrong? Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. There's all kinds of this stuff going on, and of course there's the Lancia Stratos. There's plenty of videos about that. And what else? Yes. Encourage others to watch my lunacy.